Are you trying to open Samsung Gaming Hub but suddenly it shows something went wrong? Don't worry. Today I will show you exactly how to fix it step by step. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Tech Wash. First, check your internet connection. Open a browser to your choice. Type internet speed test. Wait for a moment to check your internet stability. Then go to settings. Tap apps. Scroll down and find Gaming Hub. Tap Force Stop. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache and tap Clear Data also. Now go to Galaxy Store. Search for Gaming Hub. If you have update available, then update it. Now restart your device. And boom, your Samsung Gaming Hub should now be working perfectly. Thanks for watching. Support us, be with us.